Hello, this is a follow-up to the review of the wig from UNICE that I did yesterday. I've been enjoying, so today I'll see if I can leave a little bit of my own hair out. I'll be starting with my hair in a bun that I slip with, just in case you want to try it out as a ponytail. Let's see, I think you can get it. No, that's it. You see, it gets even very small. You can use the same combs to secure it in place. I just have to push my bun inside of it. I just did, whoop, my bun inside of it, and you'll have a ponytail. I mean, I'm not a big ponytail person, but if you like ponytails, it's an option. The way is an actual halfway, and if I put it all the way back, then I had to leave a little bit more in the front out. So I'd rather leave out a little bit more in the back and then try to see if I can blend my hair in the front. I put mousse, and this is definitely not going to work because this mousse is very light hold. The wig is also a little bit lighter on my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some gel. Hopefully the gel will give me a little bit more hold and stretch my hair to see if I can mimic the wig a little bit more. So I'm going to put the wig on first. It's a feather, don't mind. I was wearing it out yesterday. And you see the gel, the mousse I used yesterday, it doesn't have a strong hold. So the wig managed to grow a little bit. In a sense, that's also good because I think now that the curl is not as defined, it looks more like a real hair. Probably a good thing. But if you like more defined curls, you probably need a strong hold gel. Public service announcement. I just realized now that I am doing this voiceover that I was putting on the wig twisted. That's why I was struggling to get it on the right position. So try to use the back comb first. Maybe that will guide you as to what is the right position for your wig. Somehow, anyway, I managed to get it on and continue. I did switch my ponytail to two small braids. I have two, I think I mentioned it, two ponytails that I've wrapped in one in each direction. Very pretty. I just try to figure out if gel will help me blend my leave out a little bit better. Otherwise, I'll try something else. But as you saw from yesterday, you can always just put all of your hair backwards and use it as a headband wig. That's also an option. Let me get closer. You can see the gel is doing a better job at mimicking the wig texture. I'll wet it a little bit more. I don't know, guys. I don't know if this is working. Let me try. Maybe if I look like sideways. I don't know. How do you do the flip over method? I think YouTubers make it look so easy. Yeah, no. I might need someone to teach me how to do the flip over method correctly. So I was playing with my hair a little bit and thought maybe if I part this and put some to the back. Nah. I don't know, I think I'm a little too picky for this look. Oh wait, that was not my hair. That was a wig. Yeah, that's baby hairs. No. So let's try something else. I have some flexi rods. After putting on my first flexi rod and realizing it was going to take a while for it to dry, I kind of gave up. I realized I don't have the patience to wait for flexi rods to dry. I'm sorry. So I'm going to do old styled half wig blending. I just left still the same amount of hair in the front here left out, and I'm wetting it. I'm using a small tooth comb. I don't do this often. Don't do it often. And I'm going to put some gel. I wish I had a stronger, like an edge control or something, but I'm going to try to use what I have. What I like about leaving a little bit of leave out is that I'll be able to use a small or a thinner headband, and that would help with the illusion that it is not a headband wig, but it's actually my hair. So let's do that. Could that work? What do you think? I put it further back. It's on top of the wig now. I don't think you can see where the wig starts. If you're more experienced than me, you'll probably be able to blend this even better. Or if you have edge control. Let me take you outside to see it in better lighting. See if I can get better light. I could see I needed a little bit more blending, so I did that. And I think I did well. What do you think? It was my first curly wig ever. So I hope you're gentle with your comments. And I also should say I didn't need to refresh this wig, so that was really nice. I used it as it was from the day before. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to watch the previous video of the unboxing and let me know what you think. Are you going to try half wigs? Are you going to try curly wigs? Thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate all your comments, all your likes, and all your critique, also gentle critique. Thank you very much and wish you a very nice day. Bye bye.